Okay, so this one I think is a lot of fun, and it's because I'm weird. Um, we obviously can't say, okay, x minus 4 equals 2x minus 6 because we have different bases, right? So what can we do with this? And this is actually something that they will tell you will be on tests like the SAT or maybe the ACT as well. I haven't taken any tests like that for a while. Um, what you need to do is say, okay, well, how can I rewrite this so that it would make sense, or so that I can have a common base? And so if you look at this 27, well, 27 is 9 times 3, and 9 is 3 times 3. And so right here, what we have is 3 times 3 times 3. And we could rewrite that using exponents as 3 to the third power. 3 to the third power and 27 are the same thing. So what we have is 3 to the third power raised to the x minus 4. Okay, so now it's almost to the point where we can solve it. 3 to the third, remember our properties of exponents, a power to a power, so a to the n raised to the m is equal to a to the nm. We multiply. So we're going to multiply that 3 and that x minus 4, and we get 3 to the 3x minus 12, don't forget to multiply the 3 by the 4, is equal to 3 to the 2x minus 6. Okay, now our bases are the same, so we just know that 3x minus 12 has to be the same as 2x minus 6, so we're just going to set those equal to each other. 2x minus 6, and do some maths. Cancel out my 2x on that side. That gives me x minus 12 equals negative 6. Add 12 to both sides. And I get x equals 6. Okay, and we can plug that back in and check it out. 27 to the 6 minus 4. 27 to the 6 minus 4 would be 27 to the second power. Should equal, hopefully, 3 to the 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 minus 6 would be the 6th power. So 27 to the 2nd power and 3 to the 6th power should hopefully be the same thing. And we could put this in a calculator. It's going to be some rather large number, around 500 and something. 27 times 27. Okay. 729. So if you put it in a calculator, 729 on this side, I'm just going to say that that's also 729. Put it in a calculator, check it out. Remember, we could rewrite this. We could break that 27 down to a factor of 3 again. Remember, it was 3 to the third power. But let's change this 3 to the 6th power instead. So 3 to the 6th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I know that 3 times 3 times 3 from before, I know that that is 27, right? That's 3 to the third power. So what I have is 27 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, that's also 27. So that means I have 27 times 27. And another way of writing that would be 27 to the 2nd power. Okay, so that works. And I just like putting squares around things. Okay, and that's it for this one. That's it for today's lesson.